Upbeat music playing. Hey there, savvy shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make the best purchasing decisions without breaking a sweat. Today, we're flying high with a battle of the drones. On my left, we have the Holystone HS720 GPS drone, and on my right, the Tamiz 4K drone. Buckle up, because we're diving into the ultimate drone showdown. Cut to split screen with both drones. Let's get this drone off started. First up, let's talk about the price. Holystone HS720 comes in at a cool $249. That's like buying a small island. Well, a very small island. Maybe just a rock. On the other hand, the Tamiz 4K drone is just $99. That's like buying a fancy dinner for two, but with a side of aerial photography. So if you're on a budget, Tamiz might be your new best friend. Moving on to camera quality. Both drones boast 4K UHD cameras, but the Holystone HS720 comes with image stabilization, ensuring your shots are smoother than a jazz saxophone solo. Meanwhile, Tamiz has a 90 degrees adjustable camera and a 110 degrees FOV lens. That's like giving your drone a pair of wide-angle glasses. Reviewers say that the HS720's camera quality is excellent for its price, while Tamiz users appreciate its surprisingly good camera for the budget. Now, let's talk flight features. The Holystone HS720 is like the James Bond of drones. It has GPS-assisted intelligent flight, so it won't go rogue on you. It can return home automatically, follow you around, and even fly in circles. It's basically your personal sky stalker. Reviewers love its stability and the GPS feature that brings it back home. Tamiz, on the other hand, packs some cool tricks too. It has optical flow positioning for stable indoor flights and more cameras than a Hollywood paparazzi. Plus, it can perform 3D flips. It's like the Tony Hawk of drones. Reviewers appreciate its fun features, though caution is advised in windy conditions. Battery life is crucial. The Holystone HS720 comes with 2 intelligent batteries, giving you a whopping 52 minutes of flight time. You could fly around the neighborhood and still have juice left to buzz your annoying neighbor's barbecue. Reviewers highlight its long battery life as a major plus. Tamiz doesn't specify its battery life, but let's be honest, for $99, you might need to keep an eye on the battery level. It's like the friend who always borrows your phone charger. Some reviewers mention that it has a decent flight time, but additional batteries can be hard to find. Ease of use is another biggie. The Holystone HS720 has multi-sensors for stable hovering and features like one key start, stop, and altitude hold. It's so simple, even your grandma could fly it. Just don't tell her I said that. Reviewers find it very beginner-friendly. Tamiz is also beginner-friendly with one-touch takeoff, altitude hold, and headless mode. Plus, it weighs less than 250 grams, so no FAA registration headaches. It's like the drone equivalent of a paper airplane, but way cooler. Reviewers appreciate its user-friendly nature and lightweight design. Overall, reviewers find the Holystone HS720 to be a solid and reliable drone with excellent features for its price, especially praising its GPS stability, camera quality, and long battery life. On the other hand, the Tamiz 4K drone is appreciated for its affordability, ease of use, and fun features, though it has some limitations in battery life and durability. Upbeat music playing, and there you have it, folks. The Holystone HS720 and Tamiz 4K drone both have their strengths and quirks. If you're looking for high-end features and longer flight time, Holystone is the way to go. But if you're on a budget and want a fun, easy-to-use drone, Tommy's won't disappoint. Which drone would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy flying. End screen with channel logo and subscribe button. Upbeat music fades out.